everyone, in today's video we're going to learn neutral nouns with ending of ma and ending of mo. The neutral nouns with ending of ma have an extra syllable in possessive, the same as neutral nouns with ending of mo, in possessive singular, and also an extra syllable in plural. But let's see the examples. To pragma, which means the thing. To pragma, the thing, as a subject. It has this accent on the second syllable from the end, and we can see in singular we will not have any changes. So it's to pragma, to pragmatos, an extra syllable here, of the thing possessive, to pragma, the thing as an object. The subject and the object is exactly the same, article and word. To pragmatos, the accent doesn't change, and we have an extra syllable of tos at the end. Now let's see the plural, ta pragmata, the things, as a subject. Ton pragmaton, the things, as possessive. And we have a drop of an accent in possessive from the third syllable to the second syllable from the end. Ta pragmata, the things, as an object, it's exactly the same as ta pragmata, the things, as a subject. To mathima, the lesson, as a subject. To mathima is a neutral noun with ending of ma with an accent on the third syllable from the end. To mathimatos, we have an extra syllable added in possessive, so we're going to drop the accent. So the accent doesn't go further than the third syllable from the end. To mathima, the lesson as a subject. To mathimatos, the lesson as possessive. And to mathima, the lesson as an object. The subject and the object are exactly the same, and we have nothing in call because it's a not living creature, so we don't really have to call the lesson. Ta mathimata, the lessons, as a subject, we have an extra syllable at the end, and because it's a 3-syllable word and becomes a 4-syllable word, we're dropping the accent from the 4th syllable to the third one from the end. Ta mathimata, the lessons, as a subject. Ton mathimaton, the lessons, as possessive. We're dropping again the accent in possessive. So from the third syllable from the end becomes to the second syllable from the end. Ta mathimata, the lessons, as an object. Nothing at call, we don't really call the lesson. To grapsimo, neutral noun with ending of mo. Not many of them, but still, let's do one. To grapsimo. It's a neutral noun with ending of mo with the accent on the third syllable from the end. To grapsimatos, of the writing. The accent from alpha drops to psi because the word from 3-syllable becomes a 4-syllable word. To grapsimo is the writing as a subject. To grapsimatos is the writing as possessive. To grapsimo is the writing as an object. Ta grapsimata, the writings, an extra syllable at the end, so the accent drops from alpha to iota, from the 4th syllable to the 3rd syllable. Ta grapsimata, the writings, as a subject. Ton grapsimaton, the accent drops again from the 3rd syllable to the 2nd syllable from the end. The writings as possessive. Ta grapsimata, the writings, as an object. Now let's see a couple of examples. Τώρα ας δούμε μερικά παραδείγματα. We're only gonna do the singular. We're not gonna do the plural. So, to pragma, the thing, is a subject. To pragma είναι πάνω στο τραπέζι. The thing is on top of the table. Του πράγματος, of the thing. Η συσκευασία του πράγματος είναι βρεγμένη. The packaging of the thing is wet. Το πράγμα as an object. Βλέπω το πράγμα κάτω από το τραπέζι. I see the thing under the table. Το μάθημα, the lesson. Το μάθημα αρχίζει σε λίγο. The lesson starts in a while. Του μαθήματος, of the lesson. Τα βιβλία του μαθήματος είναι εδώ πάνω. The books of the lesson are up here. Το μάθημα as an object. The lesson as an object. Πάω στο μάθημα. I go to the lesson. Το γράψιμο, the writing. Το γράψιμο είναι εύκολο. The writing is easy. Του γραψίματος, of the writing. Τα γράμματα του γραψίματος του είναι πολύ καθαρά. The letters of his writings are very clear. το γράψιμο as an object. Έχει πολύ καλό γράψιμο. He has very good writing. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you, and if it was, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye!